So hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new here, hello, welcome. I'm Jack, but when I'm in drag, I go by Luna Rose, cause I'm the flower that blooms at night. And as you can read from the title of today's video, we're going to be doing yet another Boohoo clothing haul, as well as a try on. So let's get into it, shall we? Terrible tongue pop. So I purchased all of these clothes from Boohoo with my own money, combined with the help of my Patreon family. So I just want to give my Patreon family a huge shout out in today's video. Thank you guys so much for continuing to support me, helping me get new drag for my channel and transformations. And let's try on some clothes, shall we? Ooh, that was a better tongue pop. So the first item I picked up from Boohoo is honestly giving me so much life right now. You guys know I'm a drag queen. I have drag queen magpie syndrome. Anytime I see anything sparkly, rhinestoned, embellished, or glittery, you know I'm going to be picking it up. And this garment is pure glitter. This is a full-on like glitter fabric that doesn't transfer, which I truly appreciate. And I actually bought the kind of top to this little trouser set about a year and a half ago, and I've had these trousers on my wish list hoping they would come back in stock. They finally did, so definitely expect a full-on like glitter sequin sparkle moment at some point in the future, since I am living. I love them so much. So we're definitely starting off this haul with a lot of sparkle and glamour, since the next thing I picked up from Boohoo is a halter neck sequin dress. Like I said, anything sparkly, anything embellished, anything sequin, dazzly, light reflecting, you know I'm going to be picking it up. Generally, I don't reach for like halter necks all that often, but you know, it's sparkly. I couldn't help myself. I have issues. Okay, so this now makes the third garment in a row that is like extra sparkly, extra AF. But it is in that kind of fabric where the glitter comes off it and ends up everywhere. I'm definitely gonna have to like hoover my room, and my entire neon desk is now covered in sparkles, but it's kind of worth it. It's a little glittery miniskirt, which honestly gives me so much life. It is so fierce to me, but yeah, for sure this isn't like my favorite, since it kind of literally ends up everywhere. But it's cute. And we finally have something that isn't glittery or sparkly, and this next piece looks like something right up my style avenue, since it is kind of an off-the-shoulder little patterned mini dress with some nice like buckle details down the front, and it gives full-on like secretary vibes to me. So I'm praying to God it looks cute, I'm praying to God it looks nice and formal and like sophisticated, and I can serve a full-on fantasy in it, since I like this. It's cute. Okay, so this next piece I actually remember picking up, and I didn't realise until I was like checking out and like checking the basket that it was from the maternity section. Honestly, feeling it in like person, it doesn't feel like it has any stretch or give to it, so I don't really get how it's a maternity piece. But it is a high neckline, tiger print, long maxi dress. But yeah, it's meant to be from the maternity line, so hopefully it fits my stomach nicely. Hopefully it looks cute on, since yeah, the fabric itself has like no stretch or give to it, but it's an interesting print, and I finally own my first maternity piece. So the little bodysuit I'm currently wearing, I did actually get from Boohoo like a year and a half ago now, and I actually really like the way their bodysuits and jumpsuits fit on me. So the next thing I picked up is another jumpsuit bodysuit little playsuit moment. This one's in like a nice like silky satin mustard coloured fabric, which, you know, could be cute. Hopefully it's flattering, hopefully it looks cute on, since the one I'm currently wearing is so comfortable. So I'm praying to God this looks cute and is also as comfortable. And we finally have something in one of my favourite prints of all time, but for once, it's not floral, but it is snake print. You guys know I have an obsession with snake print, and the style of this garment is a little bit different compared to what I'd usually go for, since it's a nice blue snake print moment. Yes, simple, gorgeous, but it is a full-on like maxi length dress, which honestly is not like my typical style. Generally I go for like really short slutty moments, but you know, I might just like slash the leg and give it a slit, but it's cute. It's cute. I'll wear it at some point. So the next thing I picked up from Boohoo is kind of floral print, so I guess I'm ticking the box of picking up something floral in every haul I've ever done on my channel. But it is a nice like red ruched little mini dress with some flowers on it, some chain detail like Versace kind of knockoff moment, and generally ruched dresses along the side just make your body look so snatched, so hourglass like figured. So yeah, I'm praying to God it looks cute on, since I remember this one being like a little bit more expensive, so hopefully it's worth the price tag, girl. Oh bitch, you know I'm going to be wearing this next piece ASAP. This is right up my style avenue, and if I could pitch like a perfect ideal look for me to do, this next garment encapsulates it. It's a little cute like little pleather two-piece lavender soft like monochromatic co-ord set, which like I said is literally right on my style avenue. I really want to wear this, and you'll probably see it very soon in the future since this is so cute to me. It gives me full on like Barbie bombshell vibes, and I need it in my life. I need to wear it right now. Sometimes I just really confuse myself when I do these hauls, since a lot of the time I will buy the items, I'll maybe do like 2 different orders, put them in a bag and like build up enough to do like a clothing haul like maybe a month or 2 down the line. So half the time I forget what I've ordered. But this is one of them items that I just think, what the fuck? I don't really know when I'm ever going to wear it, since it is like a nice high-waisted neon pink colour, but it's like a wide leg flare out trouser, which I can't ever see myself wearing. I don't really know why I picked it up, but the colour's cute. I just question my own style choices. So the next thing I picked up from Boohoo is very much down like my normal kind of route and avenue when it comes to my drag style and fashion, and it is a deep wine red little suspender belt moment. I absolutely love suspender belts since it covers up my stomach and lets me wear tights if I'm going to do like a lingerie look, but yeah, I love anything lacy, I love anything floral and has that like sex appeal to it, so yeah, obviously I'm not going to wear it in today's haul since I have no matching things to it, but I own another suspender belt, girl. I own another one. Yeah, I definitely confused myself when I did this haul. All these pieces I picked up are all like very not my usual style, since the next thing I picked up is just a basic boob tube longer dress in like a deeper chocolate brown, which yeah, I don't really know when I'm ever going to wear or why I would ever pick it up. The only thing I can think is that it was heavily discounted to like £1 to £3, which is why I bought it, but it can go with them trousers in it. I have no idea what the fuck happened. Pile. And then the final thing I picked up in today's little mini random I bought weird things from Boohoo haul is just a little simple pink little disco kind of a bandeau top. I do have the matching like skirt to this somewhere in my drag wardrobe behind me, but just like the kind of matching like glittery set, I often buy stuff and put them in different bags and then I don't know where the matching piece is. So I definitely do have the matching skirt for this somewhere, which I can finally complete the collection and make it like a full-on monochromatic kind of a Barbie moment at some point in the future. So I'm glad I did this haul and I'm glad I found this little bandeau. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this kind of random item selection Boohoo haul. Like I said, I purchased a lot of things from like different brands and I kind of put them in bags ready to do hauls on, and this for sure was just like a mix of styles, none of which I would say are particularly good, but that's me in a nutshell. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below which garment was your favourite. For mine, it's definitely like that latexy like 2-piece co-ord set. That is sickening. And don't forget to subscribe to a bitch and hit that notification bell to tell you when I upload. There should be one new video every single Monday at 10 PM at Greenwich Mean Time, but like I said, hit that notification bell to tell you about new uploads, bonus days, updates, and the works of it all. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this little weird mix and match, mishmash kind of haul from Boohoo, and I will see you in the next one. I've literally like lost all train of thought with just how weird my style is to actually purchase half these garments, but yeah, nevertheless, I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I will stop rambling, and thanks so much for watching. Bye. Ooh, actually tongue pop came out and it was a good one. Bye.